Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I've got another bulk case. I got a deal on my cases. I ordered 3 at a time and got 1 for free shipping. So I spent a little bit less. This one has 29 items. I'm going to open up and see what 29 items are in there. Cost me $50 and I spent $20 on shipping because I got a discount because of the deal. So $70 invested. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, the specs on this box are that its title is Toys and Games, Baby Essentials, Dolls and Stuffed Animals, Star Wars, Cars, Lego, and contains master packs. If you don't know what master packs are, they're usually like one box of like 6 of the same item. So anytime you see master pack, you know you're going to get all the same item in a specific numerical value. So there's 29 items in this case. And so I spent $70 after ship, and that includes my shipping. $50 was the actual price. So I probably spent about $2 a piece on the items in this one. So about $2 a piece is what I'm averaging. We'll get in here, see what we got going on. So far I see some Legos. Hopefully they're not opened, because if they're opened, then they're kind of worthless. You can on eBay sell Lego lots of specific types of shapes and things like that. So a lot of people are discouraged when they get Star Wars stuff because they don't think they can sell them, but they sell really well on eBay if you're restricted in that category. So what I've got right here is a Star Wars Rey, the Black Series. And if you're not ungated in this category, try getting approval in that, and that's an option for you. So that I'm really pleased by. This one is totally sealed, it looks like. Yep, totally sealed, unopened. Technic Lego. And if you ever can't find it by the UPC, you can always look up Lego under these numbers here. These are unique to the type of set it is, just so you know. All right, here's another Lego City. It looks like this one has not been opened as well. Lego City, 5 to 12 years old. Looks like motorcycles and cars. Lego sells awesome. All right, we've got glitter smile favors. So basically like a little lipstick, lip gloss. Oh my goodness, this takes me back. I remember having one of these when I was a kid, and my kids had one of these. So I will not sell this one on Amazon because it's been scuffed and scratched up, like it's been banged into a wall. I don't know if it was leaning against something in the storage. It's definitely in used condition, so I may not sell this at all. I may just throw it away. But this is definitely not in sellable condition for Amazon. But it does give me a little bit of nostalgia. All right, here's some more lip gloss. Toucan. Oh, it's cute. It's a little knitted toucan. Very good condition. It looks like it would sit on a shelf. Perfect. So we're going to let him watch us unbox this for a little while. All right, we'll see how long he sits there. This is a Squeezoos, and it's got 3 different kinds. I'm not sure if something was supposed to be here or if there were stickers. So I'll definitely look that up on Amazon and make sure we're not missing any pieces. But other than that, it looks like it's in good condition. Looks like you squeeze them and certain things happen. And so I'm going to look it up, make sure I have all the pieces. And then when I send this into the warehouse, I will definitely polybag it because I don't want things like this to be ripped off in the process of them being stored. All right. A big back end of a Tonka truck, looks like. This actually has a tag on it. Antsy Pants dump truck, but only the back end. That's super useful.
Uninspected returns.
Uninspected returns. All right. Captain America, Star Wars Captain Phasma. Sorry, Captain Phasma from the Star Wars series. Still new in package, not been opened. Here's
definitely not Captain America.
No, not Captain America, sorry. My brain is not awake today. All right, here's a Stormtrooper from the Star Wars series. All right, and then we've got Shimmer and Shine. She's packaged upside down. So that's probably why it got returned, or they put it back in the package upside down. But anyway, she's upside down.
Maybe the rare doll.
It's the rare upside down Shimmer and Shine packaging. This one's right side up. So this one is Princess Sameera. Looks like that one's brand new. I'll make sure I look at the picture closely. It comes with a comb and stuff, and I'll make sure that they have all the accessories they're supposed to have with it. Uninspected returns. You never know. Every once in a while you'll get $1 or something and it's missing the bottle or the comb. Here's another one. This is DJ from the Star Wars series. So I'm really pleased to see these Star Wars series. Oh, look, we have a friend. We got 2 of them. Are you going to be too heavy? Now they're going to tip over because it's too heavy. All right, we have got from, oh, I know this series. It's like a mask cartoon, and they jumped. Mask cartoon. The toucan jumped to his death. I'm going to put him over here. All right. This is my master pack. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. I think this is my master pack. Color assorted. With it rattling around, I'm not so sure. Usually when I get master packs, they're usually brand new. So this is the first master pack I've gotten in an uninspected returns option. And so I'm not sure what exactly to expect in this. So it probably has multiple of the same items. Okay. That's the worst box I've ever seen. So it looks like they had grow kits in them.
Or it could be a pile of trash.
With the little grow pod thing and little buckets. This is, okay. This is probably unsellable. So hopefully that wasn't my master pack, but I have a feeling it is. So, alrighty, we've got cars. I read on the title that there was cars. These are totally sealed. Transforming Lightning McQueen. It's unassembled, so you have to put the track together, and it looks like this is what it is. If you want to zoom in on the picture here, it looks like Lightning McQueen transforms. So it's his car case, and then he transforms into different things. So, like you can store stuff. All right, here's another one. Let's make sure they're all the same. Yes, transforming Lightning McQueen. This one is also transforming Lightning McQueen. So they're all the same, and they're all completely sealed. And one of the things you could do too is shake it, make sure it's not rattling around. And so I think they're in good condition. Here is a All You Need Is Love from a movie water bottle. Little sippy cup for a kid, toddler sippy cup. Here is a little toy car. It looks like it comes apart, but it's a toy car. Here is a Lego Minifigures mystery pack. Here is a lightsaber. And I'll have to make sure it's not missing any batteries or anything and that it fully works because I think it's supposed to be able to light up. Here is baby Milestones cards. You know, those people that are super organized on Pinterest and take a picture of their baby every month. This is basically a set of cards so you can be even more fashionable and have matching cards every month. So that's what that is. More lip gloss. Baby clothes. Looks like it's in nice condition. A cute little onesie. This is opened Num Nums, a light up Num Num. Sometimes even when they're opened, if they're brand new, you can just pull them out, take a picture of it, sell it on eBay because they're pretty popular. And sometimes you're looking for a particular one. Little plush keychain. This is a little tiger named Amber. How cute. Alrighty, that is it for what's in there. This is a broken something. I don't know. So I'll have to check and make sure none of my toys are broken. But that is what is in my 29 item. Spent $70. So everything's about a couple bucks a piece. But I'm really excited about the Star Wars, the Lego, and the Cars stuff. So I think I can make my money up just in those things. Then anything else on top of it is gravy. Plus I have these cute little knitted toucans that I can just have hang out and watch me while I work. And then I'll sell them. So I hope this has been helpful. Hope you saw a lot on these uninspected returns box from bulk.com. And if you have any questions, please throw them in the comments. I love to hear your comments and answer them for you. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.